Okay, this is demolition 101. All right. So first step is when we're doing with demolition of ceiling. So the first step is you take the plaster off. Then the next thing is you take the lash off, which is the wood strip. So I'm gonna do a demonstration how to go about it. All right. This is demolition 101. All right. Safety first, mask. All right. So before I start, what you want to do is you want to hit it lightly in a circle, create a friction, then hit it off. I'm going to do 101 real quick. And that's how you take all the plaster off the ceiling. Thank you. Safety is number one, all right? Peace.